Today we have a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is Woman Goes from 0 to 100 During Trespass Warning.
Ma'am, I need your ID. You're going to be formally trespassing on the property, okay?
Loves.
Okay.
Truck
That means
stop.
that if you're still here, that's a crime.
Okay.
You understand me?
Yeah.
And crime's arrestable.
Oh, guess what I'm gonna do? Lock me up.
Ma'am.
I'll wait keep.
Or,
I don't do that shit. That's all. Hello?
ma'am, or,
What, nigga, damn?
or you could just leave the property
Where am I go?
wherever your heart desires, but you gotta leave the
I
property.
got an idea. Oh,
What's your idea?
shit. I got an idea.
Ma'am,
Okay, I'm ready.
On March 22, 2025, officers responded to a call at a Love's gas station about a woman the staff wanted trespassed.
I'm doing pretty good. My name's Officer Ruiz. You're being audio and video recorded, okay?
Louise.
Ruiz.
Louise.
Ruiz. Hey, ma'am. So,
Yes.
I believe that the Love stop here had asked you if you could just move along, and
Move along.
we want to make sure that you're okay. Are you okay?
Move along. Okay.
Hey, ma'am, can I get your ID?
God damn it.
Ma'am,
What?
can I get your identification?
What?
What's your first name? How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm not doing too bad myself.
Okay.
Have you been able to eat anything today? Did you get to eat today?
Oh, no.
No?
No, not me.
Have you had any water?
Not me. I'm waiting.
No? You haven't had any water
Oh,
today?
shit, who did it? Your mom?
Ma'am,
I was just kidding. Damn.
ma'am,
What?
do you have any use of drugs?
No.
No?
I wish shit. I've been telling them things that with me.
Do you take any medication?
Because we drinking together.
We're drinking together. Do you take any medication at all?
I can't on it.
You said you don't know?
I don't know.
Can I get a first name for you?
No, nigga.
No?
My name is Nikita.
Nakia?
She didn't even say it like that. Why did I say it like that? I just,
Hey, ma'am. Ma'am, you can focus on me right now.
see?
Can you move my car? You want to walk with me over here to my car? Come on. You said your name was Nakia? Come on, Nakia. Let's walk over near my car.
That's not my name.
That's not your name? What's
No.
your name?
What?
So what's your name? You don't know?
Don't you? Oh, shit.
Be careful, Nakia. Come here. Nakia, can you walk over here to my car?
You are. Oh,
You can walk over here to my car
what? I'm already here.
so we can talk to you. Nakia, what's going on today?
Hold on. Okay.
I'm going to ask security guard if they want trespass today.
Oh, wow.
Your mind is a terrible thing to waste. She is gone. And I would assume maybe she is under some, drugs or something. Maybe she just, mental health, something is going on. But like I said, all I got to say is your mind is a terrible thing to waste.
God damn, she doing it again. Shut the bitch in that right now.
Hey, boss. So did you guys want her trespass?
Yeah.
Yeah, trespass? Okay. Do we have a contract with them?
It doesn't matter. If they want to trespass.
Okay. They want her trespass.
Me?
All right, man.
Hello, Mr. Police Officer.
I want to let you know.
I know you.
Hey,
What?
focus on me right now, okay? All right. So Loves wants you to be formally trespassed. So what that means is I'm going to get you some paperwork that says that you're not allowed to come back here to the property and be on the property. Okay?
My car's over here. Oh, shit.
Your car's here?
I forgot that. I'm drunk.
Do you have an ID? I'm going to
Yep.
need your ID.
All right, hold on. Oh, shit.
That's a lighter.
That's my ID.
Can you give me your identification?
You, Ruiz. Oh, wasn't Ruiz. Oh, my bad. I ain't
No,
gonna touch you.
it's okay. It's Ruiz, not Louise, but I need your ID.
I gotta put in this bucket. Gotcha. Or not.
Ma'am,
I can't call.
I need your ID. You're going to be formally trespassing on the property, okay?
Okay.
That means that if you're still here, that's a crime.
Okay.
You understand me?
Yeah.
And a crime's arrestable.
Oh, guess what I want to do? Lock me up.
Ma'am,
Wait, keep.
or,
I don't do that shit. That's all. Hello?
ma'am, or,
What? Damn.
or you could just leave the property
Where am I go?
wherever your heart desires, but you gotta leave the
I
property.
got an idea. Oh.
What's your idea?
I got an idea.
Ma'am,
What?
I'm gonna need you. I'm gonna need you either to leave the property, give me an ID, or.
Cause you know you want to see.
Hey,
Oh, that's the dog shit. My bad.
you gotta leave the property. Okay?
Oh shit. Here I go.
Okay, leave the property now, or else you're gonna go to jail. Go to the sidewalk, or else you're gonna go to jail.
Okay, I'm ready. Wait.
Are you gonna leave the?
Oh no. I was just joking. I don't want to leave.
Yeah.
I want to stay here still.
Yeah.
Oh God. Here they go.
I'll let you know right now. You're currently not free to go. You're under arrest
For trespass.
for trespass, gauging for fit, double locking. All right, ma'am. Can you walk this way with me?
Okay.
Walk me to the car.
I know how to walk.
Step down.
Okay.
Be careful.
Yes. What?
You're gonna put it in the back seat.
Oh, fuck.
Search her.
That's the back seat. I'm supposed to be in the back.
All right, Nikia. Right now, I'm gonna search you. Okay?
Okay.
Do you have anything sharp?
Nothing.
Do you have anything sharp?
No.
Any drugs? Anything that might poke
Yeah,
me?
you going through my pockets like I can just say no.
Hey, go work. I need to get a Ziploc bag.
You got one under arrest.
I did.
Okay.
That's a. Got it. I still need to search you.
Who said shit like that? Let me. Oh no, let me.
All right, Nikia. Is that your name?
No. I already
search
dumped
you?
it in the trash, nigga. You late.
Any sensitive area? I'm gonna let you know. I will use the back of my hand. Okay. Letter. Do you have anything? Do you have a shirt on or anything underneath?
You don't have a shirt. Why wouldn't I have a shirt on my jacket?
I just want to make sure.
What a fucking question. What kind of police are ya? Oh shit. You not. Oh shit.
This cop is newer.
All right, man. With the back of my hand,
What?
I'm gonna let you know.
Ah, that's my ass. God damn it, you do this thing, I might be. Who? Did I put you? I wouldn't do that.
Nikia, can you stand still, please? Thank you. Once again, with the back of my hand.
Nigga, I just told you. Oh.
He's clear. She's got a good sense of humor about it, at least. All right, Nikia.
I think I know.
With my side hand out.
Oh shit, you touching my titties and shit. Yeah. You fucking creepy. Yep. Oh, that's okay.
All right, Nikia, with the back of my hand.
Oh god, and again.
Again.
I don't feel like this. Okay, you
It's okay.
touch me. Oh, that's it.
All right, Nikia, separate your feet. Separate your feet more. Point your toes outward. Look down. Do you see my hand?
Oh, I told you it's wet.
Follow me into the car, okay?
Yo. It's funny. This officer is definitely newer. But yeah. he goes separate the feet. Right? She separated the feet, whatever. He goes to the back of the hand and he does his thing, right? And she goes, "Oh, I told you it's wet down there." Oh my God. Yo, that's so crazy. That's come on, man. Come on. Some of these body cams, you find some really interesting characters. I'm telling you. This one, she's cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. I mean, we all know whatever charges this is getting dropped or whatever. Like she's nuts, man. Someone like this, doesn't belong in jail. They need to be figuring out what type of psych meds or whatever that they could be taking to help them get on the right track, or she's under the influence of something. I mean, you got all the truckers there who've been driving all night. They trying to get some sleep, but then they got her hooting and hollering. These guys can't even get no sleep, man.
It's okay. It's okay.
Is it okay to keep those bobby pins in or take them out?
Take them out.
Okay. There you go. Come sit in.
I've been in one of these before.
You've been in one of these before? All right, you're comfortable?
No.
No? There you go. Make sure you're okay, all right? Yep. Sit back.
Ow.
She was charged with trespass after warning. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to like.
Yeah, like I said, sometimes you get some interesting characters, man. It is what it is. Just, yeah, that's it. That's all I got to say. I don't have anything to say, really, for real. She's just a nut job. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.